Welcome, today's hot topic. What is the role of transaction source in Oracle Receivables? Now, if you've ever sat through an Oracle interview, you've probably heard this question before. And the most common answer, it's used for invoice number generation. Close. But that's just the tip of the iceberg, so I follow up with, if it's only for number generation, why not use the GL document sequence? Or just add a sequence to the transaction type. And that's when I see the dreaded lost face. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a rock-solid answer and maybe even impress your interviewer. So let's explore. There are two types of transaction sources: manual source, used when invoices are entered manually in receivables. For those who enjoy clicking buttons and doing things the good old-fashioned way, import source, used when invoices are imported from external systems, such as order management, for sales invoices. Projects, for project-based billing, third-party applications, external billing systems, interface tables. When data is uploaded directly into Oracle Receivables, sounds simple. Well, here's where it gets interesting. When invoices come through the import source, the interface import program reads the raw data and converts it into real, valid invoices. But here's the challenge. How does Oracle know how to map this data correctly? How does it handle errors? How does it ensure invoices are structured the right way? That's where transaction source steps in. Transaction source isn't just about invoice numbers, it does a lot more behind the scenes. Let me explain those. Data mapping ensures invoice data is mapped correctly to the right customer, ledger, and business unit. Error handling stops bad data in its tracks, invalid invoice lines. Blocked, closed accounting dates. No way, credit memo applied to a closed invoice. Not happening. Tagging invoices to the right legal entity rules ensures each invoice follows the correct legal entity, accounting date, invoicing rule, generating unique transaction numbers, avoids invoice mix-ups. Because two invoices with the same number? That's an accounting disaster waiting to happen. Grouping related lines into a single invoice. It works with grouping rules to bundle related items into a neat, organized invoice. Kind of like assembling IKEA furniture. Just without the frustration of missing screws. So, to sum it up, transaction source is the backbone of auto invoice. It makes sure invoices are identified properly, numbered correctly, validated efficiently, grouped logically, and most importantly, it keeps everything running smoothly, so finance teams can focus on strategy instead of fixing invoice errors. Final thoughts: if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more Oracle insights.